Welcome to GlobeX Leisure and Travel, where your dream vacations become a reality. As a valued member, experience resort-style luxury in our stunning villas, from cozy studios to spacious 4-bedroom accommodations, all at incredible rates. With GlobeX, it's not just a vacation, it's a journey of savings and trust. Our risk-free guarantee assures you make the most of your membership. In partnership with VOA, we introduce Vacation Ownership Portfolio Management, an exclusive service that elevates your travel experience by managing your membership and maximizing travel reward benefits. Most people's dream vacation is our members' next vacation. It's all about affordability, which our members love the most. Your journey of unforgettable experiences and savings starts here. Welcome to GlobeX Leisure and Travel, where the world is yours to explore. Congratulations on your choice to become a member. The door to world travel is now open.